Among the millions of caregivers, many are unprepared financially for the burden of caregiving, and it's really easy to get swallowed. The effects can be devastating and long-term, sometimes lasting for the rest of your life. Earlier this year, I read an article on a website that provides financial analysis and business news, and the article talked about some heartbreaking stories of family caregivers who lost their financial stability because of the caregiving situations that they inherited or started to manage. And unfortunately, it's just not that uncommon to hear of these stories. One of the examples given was of two sisters, ages 29 and 35, who had to drastically reduce their working hours from 60 to 70 hours a week down to 40 hours a week in order to care for their mom, who at a young 61 years old was suffering with dementia. What does that look like? Well, according to a 2018 report, the average working caregiver spends more than 20 hours a week on caregiving. So now, while both these daughters expressed a lot of willingness to make the sacrifice to give care, a lot of care, it's just that the sacrifice came at them a lot earlier than they'd expected, with very little time to prepare. So they've cut their working hours by 40%. That will most certainly give their career trajectory and earning potential a black eye. Not to mention some of the other important elements of their lives that we've talked about in this course. They don't date, their friends don't see them, they are totally swallowed and consumed. And all we've really counted so far is just the time they're spending. In terms of money, one of those daughters reported spending $4,000 a month on in-home care so that her mom could be watched while the daughter was working on weekdays. Regular health insurance and Medicare, it just does not pick up that tab. $4,000 a month is $50,000 a year. That's just for in-home care. She also said she carries $10,000 to $15,000 on a credit card for other expenses. Now, this is higher than average. We're going to talk about the averages in a moment, but it's a lot.